When you are doing a tender or a quote, you're often faced with many categories when you look in your library to start resourcing your quote. That's why we've added the groups feature. When you're adding to your quote, you generally have many categories, a lot to choose from. And sometimes it might be difficult for you to find the exact ones you want. You can now create groups. You can see I've got 2 groups here created, just called paving and walls. This is how you create and manage your groups. Go into your control button, go to admin, and you'll see a new groups feature called manage groups. Under that, you'll see your existing groups with what is in each group assigned to the group. This is walls. This is what's assigned to the walls. These are all my available categories, which I can put into the groups. And I am now going to create a group called planting. I've created the group. And now all I have to do is make sure I'm clicked on that group and search for what I want to add to the group. First thing I'm doing is cultivation, adding to the group. Composts, adding to the group. Fertilization, adding to the group. And various other planting categories which I want to choose from. Once I've added these to the group, which I'm doing now, one at a time, I can then reorder them so that they're in a logical order for me to choose from when I'm doing my next quotation. Once I've done that, and I'm doing a quotation, notice how if I go into my groups, I can filter planting and be left only with the appropriate items that I need. Please note also that any category can be part of many groups. Once you start making your groups, you can have many different groups, which will make your estimating quick and easy, especially if you're trying to put together groups of work in a category.